What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing a demo / review on the LuxMane Ayurvedic hair care growth line. I am in love with these products and I will say that now before I get into what I loved specifically about each. So diving right into it, I'm starting off by using the Herbal Detox Clay Cleanser, which was absolutely amazing. This clay cleanser contains raw soul clay, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's a natural moisturizer and softener. It removes all the dryness from your hair and any product buildup, and it also fights dandruff by exfoliating your dead skin. I would say that I did have to use a good amount of the product for me to feel like it was doing something, but maybe that's just my confused mind about the difference between clay and shampoo. Overall though, the clay cleanser was absolutely amazing. My hair felt super soft as I added in the product and I was able to finger detangle. Just as a heads up though, it can get a little messy because the clay has a brown color to it. But I mean, I don't care. Make all the mess you want because this thing really did the job. I felt like my hair automatically, like before even adding any deep conditioner or anything else, my curls were soft, and as I rinsed it out, I did feel like my hair was clean. My scalp definitely felt refreshed and revitalized. I then followed up with the strengthening and growth treatment. This is definitely my favorite product in this entire line. The product claims to strengthen and revive weak and brittle hair, and I can really say that it really did that. My hair does have color damage, as I've mentioned before, and I feel like the product really helped my hair feel moisturized. It automatically granted me a ton of slip. The product has a very thick consistency, but even though it's super thick, once it got into my hair, it melted right away, and I really feel like it just gave my hair exactly what it needed. I also fell in love with the smell of the product. It has a mixture of oils, but the one that I feel like is the most potent is the peppermint oil. You really get that tingly feeling in your scalp and you get that long-lasting peppermint smell, which I personally love. This product was absolutely amazing, guys. As instructed, I left this treatment in my hair for 30 minutes to an hour. I went for an hour just so I can make sure that I let the product do its job and penetrate into all of my hair strands. The next product is their conditioning tea rinse, which is just a nourishing mixture of herbs that increase hair growth and shine. All I did was boil some hot water and let it go over the herbal mix. I would suggest using a strainer when transferring the tea into the bottle because a couple of the herbs got stuck into my spray and I ended up having to use a different bottle to apply the tea into my hair. So to style my hair, I'm going to be using their Herbal leave-in milk, and I went ahead and decided on a flat twist out. And this leave-in conditioner has hibiscus and nettle extracts, which help add shine to your hair, and it really does help detangle and hydrate your hair. Although I do feel like I needed something a bit thicker for my hair, I did feel like the product did what it said it would do, which is hydrate my hair and allow it to be manageable. The next product is their Growth Butter, which promotes hair growth for thicker, longer, and fuller hair. I would suggest using this product in bigger sections. I did it in the small subsections for my twists, but I did feel like I didn't need that much product because a little goes a long way with this butter. This product is definitely one to keep for my hair regimen to allow my hair to continue to grow and feel fuller and be moisturized anytime I have any protective style. The last product that I use is their hair growth oil cocktail, which I loved. It has a mixture of many different oils, but my favorite are the castor oil and the hibiscus oil. Since I have been using the product for longer than what you see in this video in my protective styles and to oil my scalp and give myself scalp treatment, I can say that this product really does work. I have experienced some hair growth, but I do feel like I need to continue using the product more to see how well my hair does with it. I will say that the product does not make my scalp feel itchy or overwhelmingly thick with product, so I am really in love with this hair growth oil. And as you see here, once I removed my twist the next day and my hair was fully dry, I had the most amazing results. This LuxMane Ayurvedic hair growth line is definitely a product line that I will continue to use for my hair. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Bye.